Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening settings and going straight to digital balance or screen time. This is where limits live. Tap Enable or Start and follow the prompts to give the feature permission to monitor usage. Once done, allow the required access to apps and notifications so limits can work accurately. Make sure you're using the phone owner account, otherwise some controls won't apply. This initial step prepares the phone to track time and enforce rules, so don't skip granting access and full monitoring permissions. Next, you select which apps or categories to limit and why social media, games, or streaming often top the list. Tap an app, choose daily limit, and enter hours and minutes, for example 1h30m, then save. Use the schedule option to apply different limits for weekdays versus weekends, or create a custom block schedule for bedtime. Once configured, the phone will warn and then block apps at the limit. This step is about precise limits and timing, so take a moment to set realistic values. To finish, set a PIN or enable parental lock so settings can't be changed without authorization. This prevents accidental overrides. Add any necessary whitelist apps for emergencies, and confirm overrides like calls and alarms are allowed. Once everything is saved, test by opening a limited app until the limit triggers. If limits don't apply, restart the phone, then reopen settings right arrow digital balance to re-grant permissions. If problems persist, clear the digital balance app cache and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.